Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how the Moodle site can be created onto the website as a website without wasting much of your time, and also it is free of cost. So any Moodle loving people, those who want Moodle to be set up at their own, so it is cumbersome job to set up. Means in backend we have to set the proper environment, Linux machine, LAMP server, and also all the maintenance part. So here one site is there which will gives us all free of cost hosting of Moodle. We have to just configure it and use it for your own purpose with maximum unlimited user space. So what are that site? Let's go to the site gnomio.com. Yes, this is the site gnomio.com. It is free of cost. If you observe this site, this is create your Moodle site. Just give the name https your site name gnomio. Okay, now your mail ID and give this one. So what is this site about? This site is just a Moodle fan offering the free tool and e-learning community, and has some terms and conditions. They do not sell our data, so email, and very strict about the limits of number of users, of course. Yes, we are not. They are not a Moodle, Google. Sorry, right? And here this is very important as a policy. As a very basic share hosting, they provide 1,000 active user per month, no more than 100 concurrent, at most 100 courses, and up to 10 GB. 10 GB is much sufficient for us. Yes, how to reduce the space, and that will be my another video. You please watch that. In figure out too small, then they will provide a customized solution for you, and they will charge for this. And if you become a donor, they will use a mobile app and all these things stuffs. But as long as use donation period will be there, they are only giving these services at that much time period. So as a free of cost, it is very important that you use this one. So I will be using gmail.com as an English. Suppose this is the website to be created, https bitgnomio.com, and create a site. Click here. I have read them, and click here. So after that, it will prompt you this site is already available or not. Yes. Now look at, I have already created this. The name is already being used, and if it is not taken that name, so that will be redirected. So I have already created for you. Now after that, after few minutes or something, after some time, this will gives us such kind of hello, welcome to Gnomio. Your Moodle site is available at bit whatever your URL, and do not use www admin and your this one, right? So our job is done. Our Moodle site is ready within a few seconds. You go to your Moodle site, click here, and use this credential for login. Yeah, this one. This is your bit@gnomio.com. Click here. This is totally free of cost. Admin and password is given by that, and login. At the very beginning, as you are the first thing, some settings is to be done here, which is very important. First of all, let's change the password. For that, go to the system administrator, and one thing, site security policy. site security settings. Under that, protect user, force user to log in, force user to profile, right? Then down the line, maximum file size up to 1 GB can be given. Okay, now here 100 MB to 50 MB settings. This is a very important setting. You can restrict your file, your student to upload maximum file size. If maximum file size, if you taken, your server get exhausted very earlier. So you need to delete the course then. So better way you keep to 50 MB, or if you required, you can change here in this settings to 50 MB. Your user quota. Yeah, and then here keep force profile enroll users. Here you remove this password policy for time being. If you want this password must be 8 length, one should contain digit, lowercase, uppercase, non-numerical character, then keep it. And if you don't want this to be enforced, then remove this one, and you can keep any password then. And maximum validate, yes, and save the changes. This is your first job, because we are going to now update our password, right? Save setting is done. Now here from the admin user, immediately change your password first. Go to the profile, edit profile, and admin, and click here edit, change your password. Right, so admin have given the password. These are the admins, and click update. Right, this is your first job. Now look out, our password is updated properly. So this is the site free of cost, available to you. Do not have to bother about, just you have to configure. So let's say admin and password of that. Go to here. Yeah, it's working. Now some another important settings I would like to tell you. Just like go to this administration, about front page. You can give proper naming here, full site name. For example, here I have already given you this one, so use BIT here. So BIT PIC.Moodle and Department of Moodle Information Technology, right? So give the valid name, and the front page it shows list me the courses or categories, list of categories, and front page item. Then when the user will log in, it must show the enrolled courses by that user. You can also show the list of courses here at second level, no issue. Maximum number, and save the changes. So observe now this one, and you please also observe that what is the effect of this. See here the name. You can also put the logo here. If you have your logo, then you can put, just like I have done here. See, you create your logo and do that. So you observe now, for the same time site I have created the logo. Till then I will So such kind of logo can be given here. So logo can be given to your site from site administration, appearance, logo. Okay, give your logo maximum. This logo will be shown at the front page, and compact logo will be shown here in this, and then save the changes. So for time being, okay, for time being, yes, I have the logo. I have logo. Yes, please wait. Yeah, here it go. Let me preview us. Yeah, this one, right? So use this logo, and I do not have this one. Upload it. Observe now. Yes, finally here. In this way, the logo is there. Now the other settings. Course. Course default settings. Should be visible. Topic format, maximum number of section, 4. Course layout, duration, number of announcement is 5. Gradebook to yes. Show activity report yes. Here is the limit. This limit is coming from the site settings. Group mode, let's it be visible mode. Or maybe not be force. Yes. Course settings is done. Some more settings is required regarding the authentication plugin. Go to the plugin, manage authentication. Here, email based self registration. We don't want this. Means what happen? So student will themselves going to be registered without consent of the admin. So I will disable this. This plugin is not required, and we will enable the another with admin's confirmation. Yes, so admin should confirm it. This is to be done. Yes, manual accounts and admin confirmation. If you want to see the settings here, you can go over the settings. Yes. Okay. So we don't require this captcha. You can provide the captcha also. Enable the captcha, yes, and then save settings. So at the time of registration, it will ask the captcha. And again, authentication plugin. Go to the downline. Common setting in that authentication plugin. Go to the downline, email based self. This must be enabled. You can give facility to log in via email ID, both way, means username as well as email ID. Allow accounts with the same name. Okay, same email. No. Prevent account creation authentication. Autofocus on login. Autofocus login page from. So immediately default page will be launched at the login page. No other page will be given. Okay. Guest should be hide. No guest will be allowed. If you want, no guest will be allowed. Limit concurrent logins. No. And if you want any instruction to be given, so welcome to something, welcome to BEIT Moodle course. So you can bold with large size, center, align can be given Moodle course. This is not to be done in consent. And down the line, save it. Yes, authentication plugin is done. Site, then go to the site. Another server. Navigation. No, I'm not interested in that. Location settings, yes. Most probably the location will be some other country. So you have to set UTC time zone, Asia Pacific or Europe or Asia. Asia Kolkata. Force time zone, again the same, Asia Kolkata. So why this settings is very important? See, when this is a time difference. So when you are default country is India. So why this setting is important? That if you are setting some kind of a unit test or something quiz, and that quiz is going to be automatically enabled on particular time. So in India, suppose that test will be automatically should start at 12 p.m. So it may, if the time difference is there, so it may not in India it may not be start at that time. It may be the delay. Okay. So you understand what I mean. I want to say that. So time difference should not be there. So this is very important that you should use your time zone properly. Save changes. Yes. Now let me see any other settings are important for us. Please register your site. I agree. Register. And if you don't want this, click here, turn editing on. Click here, gear icon, and completely delete this. Save changes. You don't want, so here is a remote, and all courses are going to be listed here. Now again, let me see any users. I will make another video how to upload the users, a bulk user. Courses and how to create a course. Kindly refer my another video based on how to create a courses. Plugin. Let me check plugin. For time being, I don't think so. That is to be yet another or setting is pending. If you let's see our theme setting. So sorry, this is not there. Theme selector. Theme selector will be required. Theme selector. So this is the boost. You can change this. This is another theme, different theme. You can set this and test it. For example, let's say your ad work. Use this theme. Select this theme, and your entire site is going to be changed. Yes. Observe now, entire thing is going to be changed, and we have to confirm this one. Continue. All right. Let's observe from logout how it look like. It look like this. BIT login. This is your first time. Welcome to BIT Moodle. You create account. Okay. Right. And here our admin. So number of different themes are available for you. Use the boost theme as our original theme, and let's continue. Yeah, this looks like a professional. Now every settings is done. Front page, security. Yes, and in this way you can create your own site and start creating under courses and start creating your course. For the time being, we can stop now here. Thanks very much.